For me, the best travel photos are the ones that tell a meaningful and captivating story of a place and experience. Hi there! My name is Rose. I am a self-taught photographer from the Philippines and a top teacher here on Skillshare. My husband and I started our photo and video business back in 2017. It all started with a borrowed camera and our travel photos. Before we got married, we did our very own engagement photo shoot. We did not hire a photographer and just went on a trip with our friends and took DIY photos. Surprisingly, our friends and family loved it, so we ended up doing it for them too. And it grew to be a real business for us. Fast forward today, we cater all kinds of photography and videography gigs, but for this class, we will focus on the passion that started it all: travel photography. Through the years, we developed a technique to efficiently and effectively photograph our travels, and that is what I will be sharing with you in this class. So first, we will talk about your gear and photography basics. Then we will move on to the 3 essential shots to completely tell a story. And the last part will be about photo editing and sharing with the world. For the class project, we will create a succession of images that when combined will tell a story and captivate your viewers, leaving them wanting to see more. You don't need prior skills to join this class, and it doesn't matter what camera you are using. As long as you want to tell stories and take better travel photos, this class is perfect for you. My goal is that by the end of this class, you will be more confident and motivated to photograph your travels, so click the link to get started.